Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get bubble mermaid in fish step by step. Open the aquarium menu and go straight to the breeding tab to begin. Select two parent fish that both show the bubble trait for the best results. Set water temperature, pH, and feeding schedule according to species needs. Monitor spawn indicators and use hatchery controls to nurture eggs into healthy bubble mermaid fry. Carefully check parent traits and lineage to avoid unwanted mutations or low success. Pair fish during their active breeding cycle and feed them premium meals 2 times a day to strengthen gametes. Maintain consistent water temperature and pH and perform small water changes to keep chemistry steady. Watch for eggs and move them to a protected hatchery if predators or turmoil appear, and document progress for future attempts. When eggs are present, transfer them gently to a protected hatchery with aeration and low light to encourage healthy hatching. Once fry emerge, start on microfood and increase particle size as they grow, monitoring for feeding competition. Keep fry in groups by size to reduce cannibalism and allow steady growth, and perform frequent small water changes to maintain cleanliness. Record which pairings succeed to refine your breeding strategy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.